we have another unboxing, and this time, this is my favorite 4D CX 4000, the carbon. So stick around. Adidas have released several 4Ds this year. They have released the Alpha Edge in 3 colorways and the ZX 4000 in I think 4 or 5 colorways already. And as I mentioned earlier, what we have is my favorite colorway amongst all the 4D ZX 4000 colorway that they have released so far. So let's open the box. You have your standard 4D box in black with the branding of 4D over here. I got this pair through StockX, and I was fortunate enough to get it below retail. So you have your typical Adidas tissue paper, very thin. Here it is. The Adidas 4D CX 4000 Carbon. So let's have a closer look on these sneakers and see what's special about these. So let's start with the upper. The upper is made out of this premium Primkenit material all over with suede accents. Basically, they have like a 4th type of suede material that is on these sneakers. The one on the side, the one on the lace holders, the one over here, and the one in the middle part up to the heel area in black. It's in green leather, and it has a branding of ZX 4000 4D. Moving up, the laces are just your regular gray flat laces. And as I mentioned earlier, the lace holders are all in suede, but I like the hints of yellow all over the sneakers. So you have 3 on the lace holders, then you have this yellow stitching on the side, and then the yellow stitching at the back. You have the Adidas branding on the top of the toe, and at the back you will see the torsion branding with the ZX 4000 4D. Now moving on to the lateral side, as I mentioned earlier, you will see 4 types of suede material on the lateral side, where you can see over here as a 4-foot support. And then you have a lining of black suede over here with the branding again. And then I'm not really sure what is this for, but maybe this is something that acts as a heel counter or heel support over here, which is padded. And then the black lining go through to the heel up to the other side. Then on the medial side, you will see there's another Adidas branding and the ZX 4000 4D. Now moving on to the midsole, which is the most important part of this sneakers, and this what made this sneaker so expensive, is the 4D printed midsole, which is your typical 4D midsole. I'm sure you've seen a lot of 4D reviews, so I'm not gonna go into detail about the 4D material. On the sole, you have a mixture of black and mint color and your typical ZX 4000 4D outsole. So now, why do I like this colorway compared to the other ZX 4000 4D that they released this year? Well, right off the bat, I like the colorway of these sneakers because of the combination. The black, the gray, the hints of green, and the hints of yellow. It blends well on these sneakers. You don't have to worry too much about it being dirty because most of the colorways that they have released earlier are predominantly white or beige in color. I actually also like the black onyx colorway, but it still have white accents. This one, I don't really have to worry that it might get dirty. So now let me lace this up and show you guys how it look on feet.
Hey, no, 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 hey, no, no, no. No, 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 hey.
So do you guys like how it look on feet? Honestly, in my personal opinion, I'm not really sure if you guys will agree with me, but honestly, I was quite disappointed on how it looked on feet because holding the sneakers and looking at it, it looks really nice. However, when I wore it, I felt that it was not as nice as how it looked on hand. Is it only me or do you guys feel the same? Comment down below on your thoughts about these sneakers. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Until next time.